Hi there. Welcome to the Pregnancy Registration and Service Tracking Application tutorial, commonly known as PressTrack. My name is Hindolo Magbiti, and I'm the product manager of this product. PressTrack has two components. There's the mobile and the web component. So, we're going to start off with the mobile component. In order to have the mobile app on your device, you must firstly have an Android device. Secondly, make sure you have enough space on your device. There are two ways you can have this app on your Android device, either by receiving it via Bluetooth or by downloading it from Google Play Store. So for this instance, we are going to receive it via Bluetooth, which we already have. So we're going to install it by going to look for the APK in our files, which we received, and install the application. So here we go. For this tutorial, we're using a Samsung Galaxy Tab. Open my files, go to recent files, and there we go. PressTrack Production APK. Let's go ahead and click it to install. Do you want to install the app? Yes, we do. Click install. So yeah, it's installing. As you can see, app installed. Mind you, just so for our viewers, when installing the app, sometimes, and this is for people who receive the app via Bluetooth and not downloading it from Google Play Store, Android usually has security settings where they do not allow apps to be installed on devices from unknown sources. So you can change that in the settings like we've done. So you can you can install the app on your device without it being from Google Play Store. I'll have a separate video for that. So let's go ahead and open this app. So here it is. The app has opened successfully. This is the login page or the sign-in page. So you have your login form here, and go ahead and put in our username and our password. Mind you, your username and password will be given to you by the administrator, so you do not have to sign up. No signing up. Your login credentials will be given to you. So I've put in my username and password, and I'm about to log in. But just the critical points to take note of: you need internet connection in order for you to log in. So as you can see, we're connected to our Wi-Fi. If you have data on your device, you can as well use your data bundle. So let's go and log in. Oops, we have a problem here. Let's try. So always make sure that your password is correct in order for you to log in. All right, let's try again. We log in, and voila, there we go. We've successfully logged in. So here's the landing page here on the home section of the mobile app. You have your PHU forms, as you can see. You have pregnant woman register, where you register a pregnant woman. Register pregnancy, where you register the pregnancy of the pregnant woman. Pregnancy history forms, pregnancy visit forms, mother and neonate register. The mother and neonate register forms comprises of the labor form, the neonate registration form, mother postnatal care form, and the baby postnatal care form. So these are all the forms that are included in the PHU forms. You also have the tracker section here. This enables you to pull pregnant woman information from the database. We'll come back to this. And we have the settings section. The settings section is quite important because this is the first place you need to go when you first access the app. The first thing you need to do is initialize data. Initializing data basically